started. So I've been across to the truck in that direction. I've been across to the truck and I've put the steel ingots in. So we're going to go across now. I've got the rest of the plastic. I went and looted that big town with the big buildings. It wasn't a lot in there, but I managed to get 8 plastic, and then I had to make a couple. So I did find another tech page over there. I have used one of the tech points. I put that for the chemistry table because I needed the chemistry table to make the plastic for a start, because I needed to make 2 plastic. And I've also made the medicine, I guess it is, for Mike, if I ever find him, the helper I was talking about before. So at least that way when I do find him, I can cure him and put him to work. So yeah, I'm pretty sure all that was left was the plastic and the iron ingots. If I'm wrong, then you can all tell me off. I don't care. But hopefully that was all I had to bring back. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that that's all I had to bring back. I mean, it's a good thing it's not that far, I guess. So if I have to come back again, I have to come back again. But I'm hoping I've got everything. Yes, that was all I had to bring back. Okay, cool. We now have the truck, yay! Okay, so I didn't have to sacrifice my cart like I thought I was going to. Oops, that was a bit weird. So now I'm going to put this, get on there. Put this on here. And now don't have to worry about sacrificing a box either. Now this can be a bit difficult to drive at times. It's a bit dicky, but it's also a thing. I might just follow the road because it is a bit, I've forgotten how to start it. Because it drives really, really fast. A lot faster than the ATV. And I'm not even pushing W and I'm still moving. Okay, so getting that. So yeah, word of warning when you do drive this, just be really careful because it's very easy to stuff it up. Make sure I'm going the right way, don't turn anywhere that I don't need to. It's alright, I can see my building. So I won't really need the ATV for much anymore. But it still gets used. I will still drive it around because it's, I guess it's like a farm vehicle now. But I'm just so excited. We have the truck! So, what I tend to do now is every town I go to from now on I'll be picking up fuel. And that one there will probably become my fuel crate. So I'll just fill it up with fuel and then that way we've always got fuel. So I don't know how much fuel is in here. No, that's closing the hood again. Okay, so open inventory to add gas, but I don't. We have to go by the gas gauge in the truck. I forgot about that. So what I'm going to work on today, because we're at day 17, and I have the horde coming in at day 25. So I might even have to move the truck, I think. I'm not sure where to park it. Right here will... Oh no, not on top of my veggies, thank you. I haven't driven it for such a long time, it's going to take me a while to get used to it again, I think. So I thought today we might concentrate on defences because I am very open here. So if we get the horde come in on day 25, they're going to start smacking into my building and all my other stuff. So what I might do, I like to put a fence around, but it's going to be very costly to do that, and it's going to take such a long time. I think I'm just going to put spikes around for now, and they are not under here, they're under construction and others. Okay, so we're just going to put these around because these here are really, really expensive. That's only a little cemetery fence that will do nothing. So let's put these around. Give myself a bit of room to so we can heighten these up a little bit. They don't have to look perfect, but I want them to do the job. That's all I sort of care about, to be honest. Might just move those benches, I think. Move these out the way. Oops, there. Put you next to it. And I'll put you there. Pick up that stone because it's there, and the stick. So yeah, I've got to make a lot of these. Takes a lot of rope, but that's okay because I've got a lot of plant fibre. You up a bit too. Make sure the buggers can't jump over it or something. Why can't it stay at the height that I just had it at? It keeps going back down again all the time. That's a bit annoying. So yeah, this is not going to look very pretty, but honestly I don't care because I sort of just want to protect what I have here, especially my truck. Now it's taken me so long to get it. Well, it didn't really take me that long, I guess. Normally it takes me a lot longer than that. I don't normally find it that fast in the game. Yeah, okay, goat, I can hear you. can always move these around after anyway, so I mean, even if I decide I don't like the design, I can just move them around. A little bit higher would be better. Okay, so now we need lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of sticks. So I'll probably just end up using these because it'll just be a lot easier, I think. But I also need logs, so let me go around and put all the logs in first. So I'll probably end up running out of logs before I even get around to the other side. I do have some sticks, but not very many. I've got plenty of bone spears, I've got my bow, I've got plenty of arrows. So I should be alright when they get here anyway. I mean, it's a few days off yet, they're not due, but I don't want to wait to the last minute and then go, oh shit, they're coming, and I don't have any defences at all. That would just piss me off. You know what? It would be so much easier if I just used the cart. And that's all my logs gone. I guess I'll have to chop down some more trees. Did I get one in you? No. Is that where I stopped that one? No. I didn't get one there either. There we go. There. I didn't do too bad with the logs that I've got. So go fill this up. I want to make the better pickaxe too because I'm sick of them breaking. Got one in there, yep. Okay, so we've done all of that now, so so how many ropes do I need? I think it's one per. Okay, so let's go make a stack of ropes. for now. I'll have to go to the mine at some stage, but don't know if that'll be this video, the next video, I'm not sure, or in between videos. Oh, and I'm not even over encumbered. Well, look at that. Oh, God, I didn't mean to do that. It's got too close to you, still too close to you. What have I got? Oh, bloody stacks of them. I'd rather make too many than not enough, because then you're like, oh shit, I have to go make some more. It's a stick. Pick it up. Did I get the rope in there? Yep. It's got a stick in it now. Okay, so everything's got rope in it, so I'll go put the rope away. I've got room in here. No. That was all the stuff I looted from that town. That'll do. So now we'll get our sticks. Oh, ran past a stick. Always getting stuck on things, so you're bound to see that a lot. I didn't even know that was a task, because he's changed things around now that you've got tasks to do, and I've honestly forgot about it, so I haven't even looked at what the tasks are. No more sticks. So let's grab the cart, run around over here. Hopefully this will give us enough sticks, I'm hoping. Not really. Now they can break the spikes, especially if they're smacking on them too much, so I'm going to have to make a repair hammer and all that sort of stuff so that I can keep everything repaired. No, not on the stick, on the firewood. knew I'd do that. Okay, so that's all done. Yay! We have defences now. So when the mob of arseholes come, I'll have some sort of defence. So yes, I have done a bit more cooking of some stuff. Not a lot of these two, but I did some of those, did a few more of them, and I, as you can tell, I did all of that because I did the 20 to go into the truck. So now, I think our next adventure, we'll probably go and do these 3. At least I can do them all in one hit now. That way I've done all of this side, from my base over this side. But I was also thinking, I know Mike, I usually find him somewhere along this side of the map. But before I do that, I'm going to have to work out where I'm going to put his buildings, because they are pretty big. Not small, that's for sure. Maybe I should have thought of that before I put defences up. Because I want to build, like I said, across here and then down on this side. But I'm thinking of incorporating his build into my build. But I don't know what it'll look like because I've never done that before. So it might look okay, it might look stupid, I don't know. Don't know how much bigger I'm going to go with this. Oh, and another thing too, which I didn't even say, I just ran up there without saying anything. This is where I'm going to put my storage, obviously, and then I'm going to put all my ingot shelves up here. And I've got the ghost images ready to go. Didn't put a third one because I've got the furnace down there. And then we'll end up with probably 4 stone crates, maybe more. I don't know yet. Really don't know. But the more of those furnaces you have, the easier it is. You can just cook stones galore, and then you get your fragments so much faster to make your iron. So and there's my chemistry table. So the thing that I had to make for Mike was this. So it's his antibiotic. Crafted the chemistry table used to cure friendly AI. So obviously he's sick when you find him. He's in pain. He's just rolling around and carrying on. So if you don't make that before you find him, it doesn't matter. You can just, it sounds cruel, but you can just dump him on the ground and he'll just roll around on the ground in pain until you actually finally make the antidote for him, or the antibiotic or whatever it is to cure him. So, or you can leave him sitting in a cart like I do with these buggers. I don't want to dry any more meat as of yet. Don't have a lot in here. I have 1 meat which I'm actually going to eat. Oh, and I found 2 livers and ate them, so this has come up a lot higher now, so we're getting closer to being 101 of each. We do have to eventually go and get the crocodiles, which is all the way up here. Now to do them, the easiest way to do them is to have a butchering table up there. So I'm trying to work out, I'll probably have to build one up there and then destroy afterwards, which is not too bad because I've got the truck now, so you don't get all your resources back when you destroy. You only get half the resources, but at least I'll still end up with 5 iron ingots after I do that. So the best thing is to build that up there, but I'm thinking the best time to go up there is in the winter. So maybe next winter we'll go up there, because that way they can't hide in the water. They'll be walking along the top of the ice, which will make it so much easier to see them, because they are very difficult to see at times. You hear them, but you can't see them, and that makes it even scarier, because they're nasty little buggers. They're not nice to fight. But I do have 40 arrows on me, so yeah, because we need to kill the crocodiles to make our large backpack. which is that. So you need 4 croc skins and 2 rope. So we have to go and kill at least 4 crocs. And that's another reason why I'm thinking about not drying meat yet, because if I decide to go up to do the crocs before winter, you get a shit ton of meat. And I do mean a shit ton of meat. So I think what we might do now is go and grab some... Have I got biofuel down here? Yep, I've got some biofuel here. Might run across to the mine. Or to the cave, whatever you want to call it. I'll pick up a stick. Because I'm trying to get as much of the ores as I can get. I've been across here once already, so I don't know how much is going to be in the extractor. Hopefully a ton of it. But mind you, I didn't fill the extractor up with biofuel, so it could have even stopped. Which means then it's not going to be doing anything. I think it was half full when I come over, so it's probably empty now. Because it was a while ago I come over, so it's probably definitely empty now. Which hopefully that means we've got some ore there. Now, as I said, I did find another tech page which gave me 4. So then I spent one, so I'm still up to, like, down to 3 of the tech pages, and I'm not sure what I want to do, whether I want to work on power or if I want to work on, if I want to get my greenhouse. I'm not really sure. Yep, it's run out of oil. Turn you back on, but at least we've got some ores in here, so that's alright. Got some ores and some stones. So I think while I'm over here, I might hit some of these rocks and see what we get. I know we'll get lead, but let's see if we can find some iron as well. And that's another reason why I want to get the pickaxe. It doesn't take as long to destroy the rocks. Maybe I should have done that before I come over here, but oh, too late now. And something I just remembered too, which I'm stupid. You probably already all worked that out. When I was looting that town in the last video and I said I apologise for the darkness, I oh, where is it? I actually have that. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. So stupid. Might grab some of you too. So yeah, I apologise for my stupidity more than the fact that it was dark. But I'll just apologise for all of my stupidity now, because I'll probably do more stupid things anyway, so... Oh, we found an iron. Cool. Yeah, so if I work on power, I'm going to have to try and get as many ores as I can, which I'm sort of thinking maybe I should just get another ore extractor so I can get my ore quicker. Oh, another iron. Cool. Over? No, not quite. Should have brought my box with me, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I love this move all feature, it's fantastic. Now I'll take my box with me. Even though I can't fit much more in it, but... More iron. That's good. That's right, finding good iron here. Don't normally find that much. If you keep running around in circles, the stones do come back. My pickaxe is going to break soon. Might get a bit more coal. Any more coal? Yep. I don't know if I'll get that. Oh, I don't know how many hits are left on this now, but it is about to die. My pickaxe, I mean. Oh, managed to get that one as well. How many hits can I get on you? That was it. One more hit and it's gone. That's okay. Not to worry. What did we get in here? Anything yet? No. Oh, I can wait 13 seconds. It's not that long. And we'll see what we get. Probably a stone. If it is, I'll take it. Doesn't matter what it is, I'll take it. Oh no. Wasn't a stone. That was nice of it. And I will take you. I just need potato and onion on the way home and I'll be right. Hello, Picky Pig. Two Picky Pigs. Maybe that one wants to be a water buffalo. It's not going to work, mate. Now, can I jump over these or are they too high? Made it. That's good. Getting stuck again. So I want to find out what it is that I need to make the pickaxe, because that's driving me nuts. Because then all I have to do is just sharpen it. So I need, that's the steel spear. So I need 2 ingots. Grab 2 ingots. I can't grab it anyway, so that was pointless. I might cook up some of these. I could have dropped those other things in there. Oh, it doesn't matter. Let's just drop them ones off. Put that stone in there. Did I have that inside or outside? I think it's still outside, isn't it? No, it must be inside. Oh, there you are, you're hiding. I wish there was a button that you could push to organise your backpack. That would be really nice. Just drop these seeds off. Okay, so there's the iron pickaxe head, and then I need so to make that on the advanced workbench with a stick, I just need one stick. Yay, now I've got the good pickaxe. Yay, now you won't bloody break every 5 seconds. And speaking of which, I've got to go sharpen this. That's not looking too good. I could even make the spear, but that can wait for now because I've got plenty of bone spears, and I think I've got a bone spear on me as well. Yes. And the only thing I've killed with that was that stupid damn raccoon. Speaking of which, I haven't heard them around for a while. Have not heard any of the raccoons around for a while. Any of yous ready? Yes, you are. So yeah, I'm not sure whether I want to work on power or what I want to do now. It starts to get a bit hard to work out which way to go because I've got 3 to spend. Can't have the fridge unless you've got power. I could go for the loom, ready for when I go kill the crocodiles because I need the loom to make the big backpack. And I could go for stove technology, you don't need power for that. Oil extractor, I need power for that. Circular saw bench. What did I need in that to build it? 2 iron, 2 cobalt, 4 mechanical. I think I might unlock that. I might unlock the circular saw bench. Where the hell did you just go there? I'm going to unlock that because I think that would be better to have than these things. So I'm going to delete these. Because as I was saying before, when you use those workbenches, you only get 2 planks per log. But when you use the circular saw bench, you get 4 planks per log. So I think it's actually worth it. Let's put you there. So I need 4 of the mechanical, electrical, 2 cobalt, 8 iron. What am I carrying that I shouldn't be? All of that shit. Okay. Got 2 more to put on. So how many did I pick up? 6. Okay, I'll go put these in. So now I just need the 4 of the mechanical and electrical. And they're downstairs. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need some oil. So this one has to take oil. This one doesn't take biofuel. So put our oil in. There we go. So now when we chop, so it's just so much quicker. Just fill it up. You don't have to stand there holding the 3 logs waiting for the 3 of them to finish. Just fill this up. It takes 8 logs to fill it, so that's a quicker way of getting our planks. 'Cause I only used them all. So yeah, you get 4, which is really good. So anyway, I think I might leave this episode here. And next episode, I think we'll just do a run around here with the truck, get some crap, find out what this trader's got. Probably nothing exciting. Don't have any money yet anyway. I need to go to... I've got to either wait for the horde to hope that the nasties drop some money, or I have to come over here to the big city part, because you do find money in there. You find it in the tills and stuff. So anyway, as I said, I'll leave it here, and hope you enjoyed it. If so, please hit the like button. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, because it helps the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!